What's going on, YouTube? As you can see, there are some Zippo lighters in front of you. One of them, one of them in front of you, you can tell that the lid is off, so it needs to be repaired. There are, if my camera shuts off, I'm just gonna get them out of the battery and post two videos together. So I'll just start off. This one here, these four here, including this one, I paid $18.75, which I rounded to 19, which is $4.75 a piece. Let's start off with this one. Jeff said it's better if you hold it out and then zoom in. Well, that's what his camera is anyway. You guys can kind of see that. Maybe not. Nope. You guys can kind of see that bottom. There you go. 2 forward slashes on the left, 2 on the right. Back this out. Uh-oh, charge battery pack is going to shut off. It's got a big old dent right here. It's got a big old dent right there. This one is not intact. It needs to be fixed. So that one's being sent to the Zippo Repair Company. So is this one. Raymond International Incorporated. That just comes right off. There's the bottom stamp. I don't know how this is turning out for you guys, but I can't seem to hold this still. So. Nope. Sorry, guys. For some reason, the camera is not too good today. Go all the way out. This one says Zippo. You guys can kind of see that. 3 on the left. There are 4 forward slashes on the left, 4 on the right. So Raymond International. That one needs to be repaired, which will be sent off to the repair company. Next one is this one. This one doesn't need to be repaired. The hinge is loose, just not detached, so I'm not going to send that one in. This one's got 3 horizontal lines on the left, 2 on the right. It was a brushed chrome. You guys can kind of see that. So that one's not going. This one is as well. There's not even a little hinge inside of this one. Like this one has that little piece of metal. See that little itty piece of metal in there? This one don't even have that to hold that there. So. But it has a piece of hinge on. Doesn't even have any of it. So this one's going. I just dropped the lid on the floor, but that's okay. This one says 2517191 patent. Bottom. You guys are going to have to trust me on my word here. But 2517191 is what it says on the bottom of that one. I showed you this one. Alright. Next up is this one here, which I bought offline. I'm going to show this kind of quickly as I'm pulling it up on eBay. I bought all these off of eBay. This one I purchased separately. Let me go to my eBay thingy here. Well, just a second, guys. For some reason, it's not one. My internet's not one to pull up on there. So, waiting on that. Oh, there we go. So I purchased this lighter. It says vintage Zippo lighter, brushed chrome. Yeah, you guys can read that. Perfectly broken in. Now the stamp was for FVII. This bottom stamp is for G. Alright, the camera battery shut off, so I'm going to restart this. I pulled this up. Brighten that, make sure I still got that. The one I bought said F of VII. This one, however, said G of 2006. And this is what I got from the seller. Now I'm not going to give the seller name away or anything like that. And these are the only 3 photos. Got this one, that one, which doesn't even look like the inside of this one. You guys can see it. I guess it kind of does, but the way it's burnt right here on top, kind of, doesn't look like it. And it's supposed to be F of VII, not G of 2006. So, anyway, get out of this. Now on to the details. I contacted the seller. He said he had a lot of them. Description. Now, here's what it says. I have 3 classic brushed chrome Zippo lighters that are all perfectly broken in. Enjoy. Now, to me, I would have thought he would have pictured all 3 of them versus just the one. Just to say, hey, you can be getting this one, or that one. But if you guys are selling stuff online and there's different styles and types, take pictures of all of them, guys. That way the seller knows you're getting this, or the buyer knows that you're getting 1, 2, or 3. Or you could possibly get one of these styles or whatever. So that way, now I'm not going to leave bad feedback or anything. So anyway, so I paid, do this without showing the seller and my address. Alright, let's do this. I paid $3.99 and $5, 5.05. So it's basically $9.04. $9.04 is what I paid for this. So anyway, I'm going to sell it for $15. Now this is already sold to somebody else. I actually got 2 people that want it. One person hasn't. They said they want it, but they haven't contacted me yet. The other person definitely wants it if this person doesn't contact me. So it's already sold. The only reason I don't think it probably is worth $9, but I was expecting to get the F of VII. Let's open my Zippo app here. See what date that is, just out of curiosity. Okay. Zippo is going to say, I'm going to say later. Later. Go to this arrow. Settings. Here. Now, VII. VII is supposed to be 1992. Is that right? Is that what I had? 3 eyes? Let me double check. Let's see guys here. Oh, come on. There we go. 3 eyes. Yep. So 1992. So it's supposed to be a 1992 lighter, but I got a 2006 lighter. So anyway, so this one I am not adding to my collection. That is actually going somewhere to somebody. So thanks for watching, guys. My next video will be a new EDC video because I've changed a bunch of things on my EDC or everyday carry. So stay tuned for that video. I'm sorry I haven't been posting videos lately. I've just been way too busy. So I'll try to post videos as soon as I can. I know Jeff's been posting them like every day. Every day he's posted a video. For I don't know how long now. I don't know how he does it. I don't know how he does it, but He keeps doing it. So I guess he has time on his hands. I don't have as much time on my hands. So my next video, drop that on the floor. My next video will be one over my new EDC and changes I've gotten. Plus, I'm actually going to do a Zippo. I gotta ship these to the factory. I don't know how I'm going to do this, but I like to put my original inserts back in these lighters so they're original, and keep the new ones. All I'm looking for them to do is fix the hinge, but they send me a new insert too, which is awesome of them. If you guys have any suggestions on what I should do to like for a numbering system, or trying to find that lid. What's over there? It's all the way under the table. If you guys got any suggestion, I got like 6 of them going out, and they're all around the same similar date and everything. They're all the 2517191s, and I think I have like 3 of them going out, and then these 2 or something. So if you guys have any suggestions on a system to do that, please comment below. That would be great. Thank you guys so much, and stay tuned for my EDC video. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a great rest of your day. Take care.